Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on Edge, and Bing So Rewards can track activity. Once signed in, enable Microsoft Rewards in your account settings and confirm your profile details. This allows points to accumulate. Make sure to add eligible family members to a household for bonus points and install the Bing mobile app plus the Edge extension. These first moves unlock core earning methods, so don't skip them. They immediately begin capturing searches and simple activities that convert into points. Once done with setup, focus on consistent daily actions to scale earnings. You should alternate searches on desktop and mobile to hit both caps, then open the rewards dashboard and complete daily sets, quizzes, and short polls that pay reliably. Use Edge for shopping and collections because purchases and clip actions often return bonus points. Make sure to schedule a short 5-10-minute session each day. This rhythm converts small tasks into steady point growth, and it prevents missing limited-time offers that expire quickly. You redeem points whenever you reach a reward threshold, choosing gift cards, subscriptions, or sweepstakes. Redeem promptly because some offers expire. Once you redeem, confirm delivery details and watch the pending status in your rewards history. If points or redemptions don't appear, first sync devices, clear browser cache, and re-login. These steps resolve most tracking glitches. If problems persist, check the activity log for missed tasks, and then contact support with exact dates and screenshots so they can reconcile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.